Hey, Red Nose. You should be honored that I'm letting you investigate with me.
Honored schmonered. You were just waist deep in poo.
What, you Red Nose?
Be quiet.
Velociraptor is extremely agile. It's known as the hyena of the forest.
Over there.
I'm sorry. It just sort of came out. Whoa!
Hey, you fart face, you can't do anything right, can you? Nah, 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 nah.
I'm gonna let you have it!
I'm gonna do research on the animals here. Let's go, Molly. Wanna come with? Rabby. Rabby. Hangamignus. It's a flying reptile. Instead of having feathers, it has a wing membrane. Pugiongosaurus. It has a long neck, so it can eat leaves that are high up. Microraptor. It has a small body with stiff feathers on its legs. Let's rest here for a bit, you guys. Okay, then I'm going to take some pictures of the area. Rabby! Oh, I'm thirsty. Oh, Molly, do you have any water? No, I don't. Oh, yeah, we just passed by a lake. I'll go back there and get some water.
Hey, Wozos, this is my turf. So, beat it.
Your turf?
That's right. A while ago, I had to chase away some little tyke. And now you guys. Why does everyone keep trespassing onto my turf? Squawk! I told you to scram!
Coco is
In danger.
The mystery is solved.